Hi, I'm Joanne Ginty and I'm the owner of Action Insurance Repair. I established the company in 2008 and I'm one of the few ladies working in the construction industry to own and operate a multi-skilled building company. We're a specialist building company and our niche is project managing insurance repairs following claims such as fire, flood, leak to either your home or business premises. Many years of experience in this industry has taught me that there's 4 main pain points which you experience when you're faced with major damage to your property and you're looking at making an insurance claim. Firstly, it's the stress. Secondly, confusion or a general lack of understanding of the insurance claim process and what should happen next. Thirdly, the inconvenience of it all, and lastly, the hassle of sourcing and arranging the repair process. So I've made it my business to understand these pain points thoroughly, and the Action team have come up with a simple 4-step process to help you to get your life back to normal. You see, it's my approach which makes us different. I genuinely care about my clients and about their family and the people around them, and I understand the difficulties that you're facing with a big clear up, with getting quotations, with dealing with your insurance company, trying to repair your property. So if we sound like the type of company that you're looking for, we'd love to hear from you and we're here to help. Thank you.